Hey everybody, welcome back to Record-ology. Okay, today's show is something that we've been planning for some time. We were like, you know what, one of these days we just need to do it. And today is the day. So I'm super excited because there's an element of the unknown, of mystery, of discovery, which is what Record-ology, i.e. record archaeology, is all about. So I bought this. This is from Second & Charles. The mystery box, $30 for 100 CDs or more CDs, and you don't know what they're going to be. So it's a gamble. This is a big box. It's heavy. It says 100 or more. Boy, what would I like to find in here? For my own personal taste, Patsy Cline, Glenn Miller, big band stuff, easy listening stuff, pop standard stuff, Doris Day, Rosemary Clooney, Frank Sinatra, Sammy Davis Jr., that kind of, you know what I like. But there's going to be a lot of stuff that I don't really care for. My son will take all the rap. My wife will take all the Broadway. Besides that, we're going to have some leftovers. So that ties into something that I want to share with you as well, literally. And to find out what I'm talking about, stay tuned to the end of the show because we have a huge announcement you're not going to want to miss. Welcome to Record-ology! Alrighty then, welcome to the living room and my shoe in the shot there. Thought this would be the best way. It's like we're just sitting around together and we are going to unbox this thing together. Just experience it together. This is the moment of truth. What is in here? The mystery, the possibilities. Will we discover new artists? Will we find old classics? The idea, and they do this with not only CDs, but they do it with DVDs and books. They don't do a vinyl mystery box. That would be cool. Can you imagine like 100 vinyl records, although the price would be, $500. But yeah, it's exciting. So, hopefully we'll find something new. Or maybe sometimes, when you see a CD or an album and you're like, I'm kind of interested, but not enough to buy it. Well, this might be a situation where you would find it. So, all right, here we go. We'll also do a count. They said 100 or more. How much do you really get? We'll find out. Here we go. Oh, cool. Okay, there they all are. I didn't know that they would be on end like that. So let's go ahead and just grab a stack, and we'll go through it a stack at a time. Jars of Clay, Sixpence None the Richer. This is actually pretty good stuff. Oh, that's very reflective. Okay, sorry about that. It's just going to be that way. Long time ago, I worked a Christian music festival up in Estes Park as a camera operator for a TV network, and I got to meet a lot of these guys, which is really, really cool. Daryl Evans, Freedom. And I know a lot of this is just going to be like stuff I don't know. Shania Twain, that's cool. Weezer. I had this CD. This is funny. That's cool. I no longer had it until this, so that's really, really neat. I think this is their first album. I got this in like one of those Columbia House music subscription deals. Okay, not sure who that is. Sheryl Crow, that's cool. Slash's Snake Pit. Oh, Slash from Guns N' Roses. All right, that's the first one that's on the donation list for sure. 5-minute talk sampler, 1996. These are all backwards. Music for meals. What the heck? I wish I could just turn them all one way. Words of worship. Shout to the Lord. Sublime. What a combination, right? John Mellencamp. Small Town Poets. Alice Cooper. Words of Worship and Alice Cooper in the same list. AC/DC. I knew it. I knew there was going to be metal in here. Yeah, so these will be definitely in the donation pile. Def Leppard. Stone Temple Pilots. This was big when I was in high school. Cracker. Cake. Yep, I remember all this stuff. No Doubt. I went to a No Doubt concert once. Okay, next stack. Oh my gosh, Ozzy Osbourne. Yeah, So, wow, that will not be staying in my house. No, thank you very much. More Sublime. Bon Jovi. More Bon Jovi. Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers, that's cool. Eric Clapton. The Bangles, that's cool. AC/DC. More AC/DC. It's a grab bag, right? It's like you have no idea. Metallica. Yeah, I think I had this tape as a kid before I got the Black Album of Metallica. Yeah, I never thought I'd have these again. I had this, yeah, odd. I never thought in my wildest dreams that I would have this stuff again. Wow. Okay. Boss Tones. Guns N' Roses. This is like the rock. They should have it like by genre, like rock and roll. Man, it is a random. Warren. Steppenwolf's Greatest Hits. Smash Mouth, that's cool. Smashing Pumpkins, I remember that. Never heard of these guys. Save Ferris. Pearl Jam. Man, this is like the 90s. Rancid. Kiss. Good grief. Gin Blossoms. Guns N' Roses. Aerosmith. More Aerosmith. Arrested Development. Just no doubt. Who is this? Oh, Blink 182. Rebecca St. James. Put a little Christian music in there. Why not? What the heck? City on a Hill. Christmas Time. Songs of Renewal. To go with your Alice Cooper. U2. It's a pretty famous one. Skid Row. Oh boy. Some more Soul Asylum. More Blink 182. Ace of Base. This is a good CD. I had that. Anthrax. Not so much. The Offspring. The Chieftains. Just to spice it up a little bit. Four Non Blondes. Ew, I remember this cover. Guns N' Roses. Young Guns 2. Ben Folds 5. This is the most random. The Cranberries. Actually, I like some of the Cranberries music. Elvis Presley Party Mix, okay. Vince Collins. Jimi Hendrix. Sugarland. Grateful Dead. You know, there's nothing so far that I'm like, yes, I finally got that. Now, some of you may be like, you idiot, how could you not like that? The Cure. Jewel. This is so weird. It's basically like everything that they were selling at Media Play when I used to go there back in the 90s. Green Day, yep, classics. Crash Test Dummies, another one that was very popular. White Lion. Alice Cooper. Why not? Put a little Alice Cooper in the Belly King. Collective Soul. I think I had this. That was good stuff. Wow. Oh, lovely. Faith No More. Ozzy Osbourne and Everclear. All right, well, yeah, there's no Patsy Cline in this box, that's for sure. All right, guys, and that is 100 exactly. All right, guys, that is a lot of music, 100 discs. Definitely a couple things in there I could use. Definitely a lot more that I won't. And what are we going to do about that? Stay tuned. Okay, guys, so these are the ones I kept. Give away to some friends and not a loss. All right, that was awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed that as much as I did. I love unwrapping stuff. I love opening stuff. Just a kid at heart. What can I say? So here's the big news. We are nearing, and I cannot believe this. I cannot believe this. We are nearing 15,000 subs. 15,000 subs. And the growth is exponential. So the growth over the last year has been much more than the year previous and the year previous to that and the year previous to that. I've been doing this since 2017, if you can believe it. And here we are in 2021. It's amazing. And the response from you guys and how much you've enjoyed the show, that's what fuels us. That's what we really love more than anything else. So thank you guys so much for being there along for the ride. I know a lot of you have been there since day one. So thank you for that. So to thank you and an opportunity to kind of give back, what we're going to do is a giveaway. with these CDs. So what am I talking about? What we're going to do is this. So when we hit 15,000 subscribers, which should be in the next 30 days or so, maybe less, depending on how things go, we should be able to do that sooner than later. But what we're going to do is this. When we hit that number, we're going to make an announcement on the channel feed and the community tab, and that'll just show up in your YouTube feed if you have the bell notification selected. And it will announce a date and a time and a place. A place will be YouTube, but a date and a time for a live. And in that live, we are going to give away CDs. And you can win CDs. How? When? Stay tuned for more, but that is coming your way because, as you saw, there's some awesome stuff in there, but I want to give back. So you guys are going to get an opportunity to get some free stuff from Record-ology. It's been way too long since we've done giveaways, and the time is now. Well, soon. Anyway, that's going to do it for now, guys. Stay tuned. We'll be back with another show in a couple of days. Happy record hunting. We will see you soon.